Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded because I had COVID and then I had a lot of things to do, but finally I'm back and I'm about to make a new video. Today is a special day because it is the release of Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, and to commemorate that day, obviously I got the Nintendo Switch OLED Pokemon Scarlet Violet edition. Now I always wanted to get a Nintendo Switch OLED for a really long time. I finally managed to get it at a very good price. So I got it at 408 Singapore dollars, and I feel that that is a very good price tag for a special edition Nintendo Switch OLED. Now without further ado, I'm going to stop talking. Let's get straight to the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch OLED. Alright, so I'm not going to do a top-down shot for this unboxing. I'm just going to do the unboxing straight away and let's see what's in the box. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, I've already unboxed this because I have to put the screen protector on the Nintendo Switch before I can bring this back from the shop. So I actually got it from a shop. So the guy has been very kind, helped me to put the screen protector on the Switch itself, so I'll be able to, you know, use the Switch. So you can see, right? Okay, let me just take it out of the plastic first. Look at that design. That looks amazing. So all you Pokemon fans will be able to know, will be able to recognize all these characters right here. I think it looks beautiful. A lot of people say that it looks messy, but to me, this looks amazing. Alright, so yep, it looks gorgeous. Okay, let's carry on. So you can see that it's already a screen protector. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, there's already a screen protector on the Switch itself. Okay, we'll leave the Switch on one side. Let's check out the Joy-Cons. So we have, I believe this is the logo for Scarlet. So right here, yep. And then the back we have the Pokemon as well. So I'm not a super huge Pokemon fan. I would know who these two Pokemon are, but let me know in the comment section below if you do know who these two Pokemons are. So I'll do a bit of research and then I'll let you guys know who these two Pokemons are, alright? Okay, let's carry on. And then this will be the Violet Joy-Con. I think it looks amazing. And behind as well. Yep, hopefully you guys can see it. So it also has two other different Pokemon. Alright, I'm gonna slot the Joy-Cons. A bit of ASMR moment right now. Put it towards the mic as close as possible. Ooh, alright. And the other side. Okay. So this is the Nintendo Switch OLED in all its glory. Here and at the back. Amazing. Okay, so this is all for this video. It's just a part 1 of a part 2 series that I'm going to do. So I'll be spending a lot more time within this Nintendo Switch. I have Pokemon Arceus, Pokemon Sword, and Pokemon Scarlet Violet. No, not Scarlet Violet, I only have Violet. Alright, so we do have one more thing to unbox, and that will be the game itself. Okay, but before that, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Oh yeah, I forgot about it. The dog. Very important. Ooh, the dog looks beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna unveil it to you guys. Boom, look at that. We have the legendary Pokemon of Scarlet and Violet. Beautiful. And you might think, okay, that is all. There's no other detail. But you're wrong. You can see right here that there is actually a Pokeball. Very sick. Beautiful stuff. Okay. This is why I love the special edition from Nintendo. They always give these kind of small little details, and it's just great. Okay, and then we do have the classic power cable. I mean, don't we need to know? And then also the HDMI cable. I just take this out and we'll be using it to connect to our monitor later. Is that everything inside the box? Okay, so we have our, this is the strings for the Joy-Cons. Let's say you need to hold them, you connect the strings to each of the Joy-Con, and yep, you'll be able to use them with the string. Let's say you need to play games like Nintendo Sports, you'll be able to use the strings. So we have one for each side, so that's great. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, and we have the grip controller. So basically you just attach your Joy-Cons to this grip controller and you'll be able to play maybe first-person shooter games with this grip controller more easily, or play games like Mario Kart more easily as well. Okay, and that's it. Everything inside this box. I think I'm done. Alright, let's check out the game itself. Alright, leave everything here. Again, wow, look at this beauty. Okay, we'll leave this at one side first, and let's check out what's behind us. Alright, so I pre-ordered Pokemon Violet, and you do get a very nice steelbook, which allow us to put the game inside. Look at that. That looks amazing. Wow. And the back, okay, the back is just the logo of Pokemon Violet. And then inside, you can put your game card. Alright, now for the main event. Let's take a look at the game itself. Pokemon Violet. Right, I need to unbox this. Oh no, how do I? Alright, you're gonna see me struggling to take out plastic for a good minute because I don't have a pet knife with me, so okay, never mind, I got it out. And here we go. Pokemon Violet. We have the game card itself. Take out the game card. And we are gonna put it inside the steelbook. Right here. Boom. Done. Amazing stuff right here. Okay, that is all for part 1 of the Pokemon Scarlet Violet Edition unboxing. In the next video, I am gonna review Nintendo Switch after I use it, play some games with it. I'm gonna connect it to the monitor and we are just gonna go ham with the gaming. And I'll let you guys know how I feel about my experience with the Nintendo Switch OLED. I know many reviews on the Nintendo Switch OLED right now, but I really just want to focus on the special edition and whether or not it is worth it to spend more money on the Switch OLED Pokemon edition. I know that I bought it less than the original price of the OLED, but yeah, I really want to just review this product because I originally wanted to review the original Nintendo Switch, but I didn't buy that product. Instead, I got the OLED because of the special edition. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Take care and goodbye.